I am came back to I am came back to in some interesting stories with you. Story name. My story name is The Miracles of Jews. Let's try. When Jesus, the son of God, was on earth, he did do miracles. A miracle is something that is impossible for anyone but God to do. One day, Jesus and his disciples attended a wedding in the village of Cana in Galilee. During the celebration, Jesus' mother came up to him and said, Jesus' mother came up to him and said, "There is no more wine for the guests." So Jesus told the servants to fill the seed jar with water. Then he said, "Get some of the water out and give it to the master of the banquet." When the master tasted, he was amazed. Jesus had turned the water into the very best wine. While Jesus was teaching in a crowded house full of people, some man came to see him. They wanted Jesse to heal their friend who couldn't walk. Since the house was too full, they had to find another way to get their friend to Jesse's. But the man made a hole in the roof. Then they lowered their friend down into the house right in front of Jesse. When Jesse saw the fate of the man, he told the lame man, "Stand up, take your mat and go home." The man was completely healed. One day, Jesus sailed across the Sea of Galilee to spend some quiet time. But sooner thousands of people gathered to see and hear him. Even though Jesus was tired, he welcomed the people and taught them about God. Later that evening, Jesus saw that the people were hungry. He told the disciples to feed them. But the disciples only had 5 loaves of bread and 2 small fish from a boy's lunch. That wouldn't be enough food. Jesus told the disciples not to worry. He blessed the food and told the disciples to pass the food through the crowd. Everyone had plenty to eat after everyone had eaten. There were 12 baskets of food left over. It was a miracle. One evening, the disciples were in a boat out in the water. Jesus was not with them. There were great waves in the water, and the disciples were afraid. Then they saw Jesus. He was walking toward them across the water. It was another miracle. But Jesus told the disciples not to be afraid. Then he stepped into the boat with them, and the storm stopped. The disciples worshipped Jesus and were amazed by his power. Jesus was away from his friends when one of them got sick. His name was Lazarus. When Jesus finally reached his friend's house, Lazarus had died. Martha, Lazarus' sister, was very sad. She told Jesus that if he had come sooner, her brother would have been healed. Jesus said to her, "Your brother will rise again." Then his other sister Mary came to Jesus and told him that if he had come sooner, Lazarus would not have died. Jesus, Jesus, has, Jesus asked the sisters to show him where Lazarus was buried. When they arrived at the tomb, the sisters began to try. Jesus tried too. When then he told some men to roll the stone from the tomb. Jesus shouted, "Lazarus, come out!" And Lazarus came back to life and returned to his loving family. It was a great miracle. Guys, I hope you. I hope
You are enjoying the
You are enjoying to
enjoying the story.
enjoying the stories.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.